What's up, guys? I'm checking out more Gwen Guthrie. This one's titled Padlock, requested by Music Man on Streamlabs. Big shout to you. Haven't heard this one before, but I have heard some of her music. I don't really recall it like that, but I can just tell this is about to be an absolute jammer, though. This is about to be a banger of a song. 7 minutes long, so I'm assuming this is probably more than likely like a Avalanche Champagne King styled, funk meets R&B track, something to that nature. And yeah, haven't heard it, but yeah, that being said, let's go ahead and check it out. Padlock. It's an interesting title for a song. Padlock my heart. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is about to be insane. Love the way it's just easing into it as well with all the different instruments. All right, sorry about that. Let's go ahead and continue though. I went back like 10 seconds, so that should be fine. I respect that though. I respect that. Okay. Hey, I'll take that. I will take that any day of the week. That was definitely a jammer. It wasn't as crazy as I was expecting it to be, but it was still a jammer, man. Bass line throughout this entire song was absolutely nice, and yeah, that was just a really solid. What would you classify this as? I would say more of like a yeah, just like a classic like dance slash funk slash R&B song. To be honest, but it was kind of the opposite in terms of like context because like this was like an anti not anti-love but just done with love type of song, you know what I mean? And like I said earlier, I respect this because usually I find uh people often like make up to break up to make up to break up to break up to make up to make up to break up, and the cycle just never seemingly ends. But she was confident, firm, put her foot down, and it was like done. So I respect that. But yeah, this was a pretty good song. I definitely enjoyed it. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed it as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.